Hello, and welcome to another video. So this video is kind of different. I don't really do this too often, okay? But I know we are on Christmas break. At least here in Texas, we're on Christmas break. Most places are on Christmas break right now. And let me tell you, the games are extremely inexpensive. I'm going to be talking about games today that you can play on Nintendo Switch. I'm not sure about other consoles. We have PlayStations as well, but I don't play the PlayStations. I play the Nintendo Switch primarily. And I don't know about you, but the game that used to be like my favorite was Diner Dash. I love the game. It was very popular when I was younger, and I have been trying to find a game that's similar to it. I've been checking all of the list to see what game was similar to Diner Dash, and no one gave me a proper game. So I stumbled upon a game that I thought was I think is very similar to Diner Dash, and I wanted to show it to you just in case you wanted to buy it. I believe I paid $1.99 for it, of course, plus tax, but it was $1.99 the other night. I hope it's still on sale, and it's a really cute little game. I just started playing it. I don't know the whole storyline, but I want you to grab it if you want it while it's on sale. I have a few other games that I'm going to show you. I like cooking games. I like time management games. So that's the games I'm going to show you today. This is going to be really quick. Like I said, I want to make this because I know I'm not the only one who's been searching for a game that's like Diner Dash. Come on now. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so the first game is called Welcome to Primrose Lake. It is $1.99 right now. It looks like it's originally $7.99, and the sale ends on the 26th, so go and grab it. There has a bit of a storyline to it, which it doesn't bother me too much because you can like skim past it pretty quickly. You don't have to listen to the whole storyline, which I like. Has many different levels. I'm just getting started in a game, but I can tell you, out of all the games that I have tried, and I've been searching for a game that's like Diner Dash for quite some time, this one is the most like Diner Dash. And you'll see in a second that you can actually toggle back and forth between using the screen as well as using the buttons. If you memorize the buttons, or you want to try and memorize the buttons, I would suggest using it, but you have to catch raccoons in this game. It's a part of like your scoring and things like that, and I found that using my hand is actually easy. So I really like that this game supports touchscreen, because not all the games do support touchscreen, even though it does have a touchscreen. So I would definitely check this game out. It's my favorite. I'm gonna let you watch me play it a bit so you can see like what's going on in the game, but this would be the closest game that I found to Diner Dash. All right, so the next game I have is called SpongeBob Krusty Cook-Off. It's $14.99. That's for the digital version. Now, on the list that I found, like the article that I read of games that are like Diner Dash, this game came up, and it is nothing like Diner Dash. It is fun, however. You can kind of move through levels. Like at first we had to sell pancakes, then we moved to the Krusty Krab. I believe I unlocked Sandy's place, which is a barbecue place. So there's a lot of different components to this game. If you're not good with like pressing buttons, you have to know the buttons to even serve the food. So this game, when I first started playing, was pretty hard, but I really like it. Like, it's fun. Nothing like Diner Dash, but if you like cooking, time management games, this one is a cute one. And you can like dress up the characters, unlock new characters. There's just a lot of different components to the game, as I said. So I'll let you watch me play it for a bit. And here is the SpongeBob Krusty Cook-Off. So next up, we have a game called Lemon Cake. This game is $29.99, And let me tell you, it's a lot going on, okay? It was the first game that I purchased on this Switch, and I was really disappointed, honestly. It doesn't move very fast. The game is very slow, but there's still a lot of components to the game that if you don't speed up your gameplay, it's going to take you a while to get a few things. So you have to do things like clean up the floor, you can't move fast. The inspector comes, so you have to like catch bugs at the end of your shift sometime, and you have to make different recipes. There's a garden that you have to water the plants in order to get some of the ingredients for the recipes, and those recipes cost a bit more. Like the customers spend a bit more money so you can get to your goals faster. The customers come in, they don't really stay very long, but you're not penalized if they do leave. This game has a lot going on, and if you like games that are slower, you'll like this game. If you want something that's more time management, I don't know about this one, okay? I'm still trying to like this game. $29.99, still trying to like it. I'll let you watch me play it for a bit longer, and you tell me what you think. All right, so this game was one of my first games when I got the Nintendo Switch like a while ago. Right now, it's $2.99 digitally, and the sale ends on the first of the year, so next year. I tried to look for this game digitally elsewhere, and I couldn't. I mean, I tried to look for like the physical copy, and I couldn't find it. But the physical copy used to be $29.99. So this is a really good deal for this game. If you want a game that truly is slow moving, this game, in my opinion, is slow. There's a lot of dialogue when you're first setting it up, and as you can see, I'm just setting it up here. It's kind of giving you a tutorial of how you go through the game. You seat the customer down, and then you have to go to the chef, bring their order, and make the orders. Now, right now, I only have one recipe unlocked, which is hamburgers, and you'll see how I make it. Throughout the restaurant, and I'll show you a bit later, there's boxes all over the restaurant, and those will be future like stations. So it'll be like Italian food, just different foods, and you'll get to unlock recipes throughout all of those things. Okay, so you don't have to talk to the chef like this each time. Like I said, it's just because I'm setting it up. When you sit one person down at a table, like you see it's kind of moving very slow right now, but once you get like a lot more moving parts, a lot more recipes, it's still a slow game in that you're not really penalized for not taking the customers. Like they'll just wait there. The only thing that is timed is this part. Like you're scored on how well you're actually doing the activities, but honestly, it's just enough speed in the game to make it like not incredibly boring. So I like it. This game is like a chill game, and I do like it. However, if you're trying to find a game that's like Diner Dash, this isn't it, but it is a fun, slow game. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that list. Like I said, I showed you a few games. I'm sorry about the angle. I'm not, this isn't a game channel, but I really have been searching for a game that's like Diner Dash, and to finally find it, I had to share because I know I'm not the only person who really liked that game and wasn't able to find it anywhere. And I haven't even unlocked all of this stuff in the Welcome to Primrose late game. I can just tell by the way it moves that it's exactly the game that I was looking for. So I hope you enjoy. If you want to see any more gameplay, let me know and I'll consider like put a little more in there. So as always, if you have a question, ask a question, and I'll see you in the next video.